Hi, in this session I'm going to demo a few tips, tricks and tools when working in Gmail to keep on top of your inbox. So if you're anything like me, then you'll get far too many emails, so I use my inbox as a to-do list for things that need action or need my attention, and I have the ultimate goal of achieving inbox zero. Hardly ever happens. Anyways, let's have a look. So I'm going to just fire up Google Chrome, and I can see straight away that I've got 5 emails. Now this is a little add-on, and if we go to the staff intranet, you can go to the web store, and this add-on is called Google Mail Checker. If you want to add that to your Chrome, you can just click Add Chrome, follow the instructions. So I have a few ways that I can access my email. I can see that I've got email there, so I could press that button there, or I could go to the Gmail icon on our St. Chris cloud. When my email loads, I can see that I've got a few emails that need my attention, and down here you'll see that I've got my folders set up, or in Gmail that's actually called labels. So if you want to organise your emails, I suggest that's a good way of managing your inbox. Then you can come over to the settings cog, go to settings, and if you come into labels. Now if you scroll down, you will see labels here, and you can create new labels. What I would recommend is that you create a parent folder. I like to use academic years, 2016-17, and to do this you could just create new label. So if I was to do a 2017-18, and I'm going to create that, and you'll see that that label will actually go at the root of this folder system here. You can actually pick that up and move that if you wish. I'm just going to leave that there. Once you've created a parent label, you can then nest labels underneath that. You can do this from this window if you like, or if you go back to your inbox, whenever I want to create a new nested label, I simply click on this icon here and say add a sub-label, and this is going to be called test. And you can see that it's nested under that label 2016-17. The reason for doing this, at the end of the academic year, I can click on that triangle which rolls it up, and then I can start a new academic year. So if I look in my inbox, I can see that I've got 5 unread emails, and I've got some that need filing. So quite simply, I'm going to have a look at this, some St. Chris artwork here for the Google Summit. So that's just for my reference, so I don't need to action that, so I'm just going to drag that email into a folder called Google Summit. One thing that I would recommend in your sub-labels is having a complete or completed folder. I use that for anything that doesn't need my attention or action. So this one here, email distribution list for Steve, I'm just going to say that I've done that now, so that's going to go into my completed. It doesn't belong to a particular project or a person, so I'm just going to put that into my completed folder. And this is the way that I work to try and keep my inbox down and also prioritize my tasks. Another top tip for reducing your inbox is to use a little app called Boomerang. Now Boomerang's not entirely free. It gives you so many boomerangs per week as the free version. Again, you can go to the web store, and if you type in Boomerang for Gmail, it'll be the first hit for you, and again add it to Chrome, follow the instructions, and then that will put this module into your Gmail. So this is an email sent from my personal account. Just as an example, please can you look at this on Sunday. It's now Thursday evening, so I'm not going to do anything with it. So I'm going to have a look at the email, and I want to say, right, please bring this email back into my inbox on Sunday at 6:45 when I get into work. And when I press confirm, it's going to take that out of my inbox now, and that's going to bring that back in on Sunday. So it's really useful for if you can't file it into a folder or a label, and you don't want to action it, you've got other priorities. If you boomerang that email on Sunday morning when I come into work, it will be back into my inbox, and I know that I have to deal with it. So I'm going to carry on filing my emails until I reach 0 inbox and I can go home. So that's it. I hope you find that useful, and if you need any help or advice, please contact myself or IT support. Thanks for watching.